Hello guys, welcome to Top Fast channel. I am Anda.
I am Mara.
In this video, we will answer the most frequently asked questions by our followers. Let's begin.
What are the special highlights of your company in terms of service?
Yeah, we provide one-stop service. We are a company integrating R&D, production, and sales. We can provide full process service from PCB design, production, component procurement, PCBA assembly to the finished product testing.
Okay. Why are our price so competitive?
Yeah, we use the advanced production technology and high-quality raw material channels to improve production efficiency and reduce costs.
Okay. In addition to one-stop service, are there other service highlights?
Yeah, sure. We have no MOQ restrictions, provide customized production solutions, diverse field logistic channels, fast response, technical support, and multiple payment channels.
Great. Where does the company's technical advantage lie?
Our founder has more than 20 years of industry experience and technical accumulation. We can provide PCB with up to 60 layers, including HID blind and buried via boards of various difficulties, high frequency or high speed boards. And we also complete SMT quality placement of high precision components. We provide many to one team technical support. And for special projects, we will also set up special teams to provide service.
Okay. That's all for today. If you have any other questions, leave your comments on this video. We will get back to you next week. Bye.